Okay, looks like we're live now. Sorry for the delay, but good morning, everybody. It's Miss Kate here, and today we're going to create our own musical instruments. So let me walk you through what we need today for our STEM activity where we create our musical instruments. You're going to need 2 popsicle sticks, larger or better. You will need 3 rubber bands. So I got 1, 2, and 3. You're going to need a piece of paper. Any kind of paper is going to work for this. Don't worry about that. It doesn't have to be too big, as you can see. You'll need a pair of scissors, and you're going to need tape. So this is all that you need to make your very own harmonica, and this is what we're going to make. I'm sure you'll all love it, especially the parents. So let me walk you through how we're going to do this. So what you want to do first is you're going to take 1 rubber band. If you got a kit on Monday, there's 2 different sizes of rubber bands. One's a little thicker. That's one that I like to use for this part. And you're going to put it over one of your popsicle sticks this way. Just like that. So it should look like this. And next what you want to do is you want to cut your paper. So we want a piece of paper that's going to wrap all the way around one of your popsicle sticks, but it's not going to be too wide. So let's just cut a strip and another strip. You're going to take your popsicle stick without the rubber band. You're going to take one of those strips of papers, and like I said, make sure it's going to wrap all the way around your popsicle stick. And you're going to wrap it around just like that. And then you're going to take your tape and you will tape it down on one end, just like that. And you're going to make it a little loose. Make it just a little loose. Yeah, I do have a puppy in the background. And then we're going to do it to the other end. And again, make it loose. You want to make sure you can move it around a little bit so you can get that vibration. And I'm going to take the other end, just like that. And so as you can see, I can move these pieces of paper around, and that's kind of how you want it to be. And now, oh, sorry, you guys. And then after you do that, take your rubber band off this one. We put it over this one with the papers. All right, and then you should have something that looks a little bit like this. That's how you want it. Just like that. And then you're going to take your other one with nothing on it. I messed up. And you're going to put it together like this. And you're going to take your other 2 rubber bands you have, and you want to get them together at the end with the rubber bands. So you're just going to wrap that rubber band around just like this. So you have 1 rubber band on this end. Then we're going to take the other rubber band and put it on the other end of the popsicle stick. So we're sandwiching them together. There we go, just like that. And then when you blow, you should get a noise like that. And that is how you make your own, thank you, Maddie. That's how you make your very own harmonica using just popsicle sticks, 3 rubber bands, some paper, and some tape. It's pretty simple. And I think it will bring endless joy and fun to you, especially the parents, like I said. I'm sure you'll love it. So thanks for joining me for this STEM day today. Be sure to come in tomorrow at 11 to watch us make a night mask with a paper plate. And that is all for now. Bye.